Making chocolates at home is extremely simple and impressive. First, take a silicone mold and wet it with alcohol. In this case I use vodka. Don't worry, when you eat the chocolate you won't notice it, it just helps keep the chocolate shiny. I melt the chocolate in a bain-marie or in the microwave. The quantity also depends on how many chocolates you will make, but consider that it will be used for both the shell and the closure, which will then be the base of the chocolate. Once melted, I temper it with a little chocolate. If the initially dissolved quantity is not sufficient, it is always possible to melt more later. Pour the chocolate into the mold and let the excess drip into a container or onto baking paper. Move the mold in a circular motion to make sure you have covered all parts well. If necessary, touch up the parts that are not completely covered. Remove excess with a spatula or knife. Make sure the edges near the chocolate shell are clean, otherwise you will struggle to remove it from the mold. Leave to cool to room temperature. If you want to put the mold in the fridge because it is hot or to speed up the process, you could make the chocolate opaque. In this case, do not place it in an area of the refrigerator that is too cold. Once cool, the chocolate shell will be solid. Fill the chocolate as desired, with mousse, jam, fruit. If you are preparing a cake, you can use the leftover ingredients from the cake itself. In this case I prepared a cream cheese, the same one I used to fill my cake. Let's level them and prepare to close the chocolates with more melted chocolate. If the leftover chocolate that you will need for the covering has cooled down too much, heat the chocolate again and seal the chocolate. Clean the edges well again. Let cool. Before removing the chocolates from the mold, place it in the freezer for 3 minutes. Remove them from the mold and you're done. Since I had a cream cheese filling, I left the chocolates in the fridge, and you can see they got a little opaque. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.